In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add double exponential moving averages on Tradingview, trading tutorials. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find and apply the double EMA, or DEMA, to any chart so you can analyze price action with a smoother, more responsive trend line. The double EMA is designed to reduce lag compared to a standard EMA, which can help you spot trend shifts a bit earlier while still filtering out some noise. First, open TradingView and go to your chart. You can use any symbol and any time frame you like. Stocks, crypto, forex, 1 minute to 1 week. It all works the same. If you're starting from the home page, select a symbol and click to open the full chart layout so you're in the main charting workspace, not a mini preview. Make sure you can see your price candles clearly and that you're on the symbol and time frame you intend to analyze. Next, click on Indicators at the top of the chart. This opens the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies panel. It's the hub where you can search TradingView's built-in indicators as well as community scripts. You'll see a search bar at the top of this panel, which is where we'll enter the indicator name. In the search bar, type double EMA. As you type, results will populate below. Look for the built-in version labeled double EMA or DEMA. If you see multiple versions, stick with the built-in one for a standard, reliable setup. If nothing shows up right away, double-check spelling and make sure you're viewing the built-ins category rather than community scripts. Now click on double EMA in the results to add it to your chart. You should immediately see a new line overlay on the price candles. That's your DEMA. If it's hard to see, it may be using a default color similar to your candles. That's normal and easy to adjust. A few quick tips to get more out of it. After adding the DEMA, you can open its settings by clicking the gear icon next to the indicator name on your chart. The length setting controls how sensitive the line is. Shorter lengths react faster, but can be choppier, while longer lengths are smoother but slower. You can also change colors and line thickness to make it stand out. If you plan to use DEMA often, click the star next to it in the search results to add it to your favorites for one-click access later. And if you don't see it on screen, check that the indicator isn't hidden and that you're not zoomed too far out. That's it. You've gone to your chart, opened indicators, typed double EMA, and clicked to apply it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your analysis with the double EMA on TradingView.